we gonna? We're until about 11:30. So are we gonna start hulaing already, or shall we? Okay. Who are we gonna call on first? That's right. That's a good one. You know, sitting there in his ever so nice green shirt. He's one of our dearest, nearest and dearest friends. One of our nearest and dearest uncles. Can we impose my Uncle Herman? Uncle Herman, can we ask you to share a hula with us on a Sunday? Is that
Come on,
okay?
Uncle Herman. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, please a round of applause. This man is a wonderful lay hula maker as well. Lays of all kinds, but also a wonderful hula dancer. Song written for the surfer girls in the ocean, being sprayed by the mist of the ocean, and the beautiful rosy cheeks. Surfer boys too, but the cheeks aren't always exposed there. So much hula happening. Come, you guys come. Come dance a hula. You in the purple right there, come. Yeah, you.